Hi, welcome to another episode of Cooking with Dave in the Kitchen. And today I'd like to show you how I made this chicken with noodles. It's not really a soup, but it's good. Anyways, follow along with me and I'll show you how I made it. Let's cut this in half. Frozen, so it's kind of difficult to. Cut that into pieces. All your chunks into the bowl here, this pot, because we're going to boil it on low heat, or not low but medium heat. We're going to put 2 cubes, chicken broth cubes, into the pot. We're going to let this cook on low heat. Come back a little bit. That is smelling very good. You know, I normally don't, but I am going to put one more cube in this. See, that's the brand that I use. Good cube. It does give it good flavor. So I put this would be my 3rd cube I'm putting in here, and that's all you really want to put in it. I just want that good chicken flavor, you know. And this is the same way you would if you was making chicken dumplings or something. The way I'm doing this, or even pot pie, you do the same way. Chicken pot pie, that same technique. But anyways, we're going to put this back on, come back in a minute. What I want to do is I want to put a little bit of minced garlic. Not a whole lot, but just a little. About like that. And kind of stir that into it. So you don't want the minced garlic really overpowering it, but a little won't hurt. And another thing that I want to add to it, while it's still early on, is I want to put a little bit of smoked paprika, and I just want to sprinkle this a little bit, not like that. It's a little, that won't hurt nothing. I just want to make sure it's got good flavor to it, because we're not going to drain any of this juice off. And by the way, we'll keep that. We'll come back in a little bit. Oh yeah, they're looking good. Oh, that smells good. Tell you what we need right now. We need a little bit of salt. Just a little bit of salt, not a whole lot, just a little bit. Okay, there's a little bit of pepper. Okay, we're going to put some good old chicken broth, Swanson chicken broth on this. Okay, just for a minute, we're gonna take off the burner, turn the burner off. Okay, we'll come back in a minute. 1 tablespoon of flour. And we're going to take your spoon, give us a so it makes it very good. Okay, we're going to put another cube into it. So this will make 4 cubes. This out of the stove into this bowl here, and it's very delicious, smells real good. Anyways, I want to thank y'all for watching my channel, and if you do hit subscribe to my channel, hit that bell so you don't miss an episode of my videos. And I want to appreciate the ones that have subscribed to me so far. Y'all have a blessing day, and I'll see y'all next time.